Earning an income from the convenience of your home is an ideal scenario, and thanks to generative AI platforms such as Midjourney, capitalizing on AI created visuals is more accessible than ever. Whether your goal is to generate sufficient funds to offset your Midjourney subscription expenses or to significantly increase your earnings, you've come to the perfect spot. To enhance your proficiency with Midjourney, be sure to explore top-notch ideas and prompts for Midjourney. Earning income through Midjourney, an AI image generation platform with a user base exceeding 15 million, is achievable through a variety of proven methods. Despite the increasing competition, the platform continues to offer numerous opportunities for monetizing AI images. The fundamental concept is straightforward. Produce superior quality images using the AI capabilities of Midjourney and then leverage a range of online applications and tools to generate revenue from your creations. Earning a quick buck with Midjourney is as simple as selling your top-notch prompts. Perfecting a prompt can be time-consuming, which is where platforms like PromptBase come into play. It's an online marketplace for AI prompts compatible with Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and ChatGPT. To expand on PromptBase, ensure you list multiple prompts provided they're original and high quality. Print on demand is a low-risk strategy to generate income with Midjourney. With the right marketing, you can earn significantly by selling AI art. The key to success with print on demand is to capitalize on viral trends early. Tools like Google Trends, exploding topics, and platforms like TikTok can help identify these trends. Print on demand allows you to sell products in small quantities based on actual orders, minimizing inventory and waste. This enables you to experiment with numerous AI images and designs at no cost until you find a successful one. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, is another platform that lets authors self-publish their books in digital and physical formats. By integrating AI art tools like Midjourney with AI language tools like ChatGPT, you can easily create children's books. A more involved but potentially rewarding idea is to convert existing stories into short YouTube movies using Midjourney images, AI-generated music, and a text-to-voice tool like 11 Labs for narration. Story ideas can be sourced from newspapers, books, Reddit, or even generated by ChatGPT. Affiliate marketing products can be boosted by a large social media following, a task made easier with Midjourney. I found that AI-generated images, particularly of females, attract more interaction on platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. You could even create an AI influencer account. In the current bear market, it's an opportune time to learn new skills like creating and minting an NFT collection. With Midjourney and permutation prompts, creating a full NFT collection is now simpler. The key is to research and identify popular ideas. Minting the NFT collection can be done on platforms like OpenSea or Magic Eden. Another way to monetize your Midjourney skills is by creating a course and selling it on educational platforms like Udemy. This can generate substantial income. Alternatively, you can use your asset to grow your email list by offering it in exchange for email addresses. Creating the perfect YouTube thumbnail with Midjourney can significantly increase your views. It's easy to create unique, eye-catching images that attract more clicks. Join our vibrant community by subscribing to our channel for the latest updates and amazing content. Tap that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay in the loop.